What's up guys, Big Daddy here, and today we're installing the Pimp on this gorgeous e-bike. Step one, we're going to take the mounting brackets. What I've done is I've taken two of the screws off to make it more accessible. Now the kit does come with all these contents, so you don't need to worry. And these are the rubber seals. Step one, move these to the side and slide it on like so. Now once you've got them in position, take your seals and slip them through the gaps in the mounting bracket. This is probably the most fiddly part of the install. Once you've done it once, that's it. You never need to worry about it again. Okay guys, now that the rubber seals are there and that you've mounted it onto the frame of the bike, so you just tighten up these bad boys. Now make sure this little slot or point of insertion is what's going to mount the actual device onto the bracket. So make sure that this is facing up, so that way to save yourself having to reinstall this again. And that is tight AF, ladies and gentlemen. Get a shot of that. That's not moving anywhere. The Pimp doesn't move nowhere. The hoe moves to the Pimp. The Pimp don't move nowhere. Now the pack also comes with the Allen key, so you don't need to have anything ready. Big Daddy looks after you. It's ready to install. This is a complete plug and play kit, my friend. Alright guys, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Now to actually put the Pimp and take him back home. Make sure that clicks, and that's it. Look at that. Not moving anywhere. You're ready to rock and roll. It sits completely flush with your stem. It honestly looks OEM. It looks like something that has come straight out of a factory. So another feature with the Pimp is it actually comes with its own bell, which plays through the speaker of a module. Now a lot of new bikes, when they come out, they don't actually come with bells anymore, or they're cheap plasticky ones that don't give a proper sound. This bell, so this button actually activates the sound, which will play for you later. And here you've got a wide variety of choices between different sounds. So you don't have to, you can pick your favorite one, and you don't have to stick to the singular. And the bell is very easy to connect. It's just an elastic band. You put it anywhere on the bar, and then you connect it. It's just a micro USB, and you click it in, and that's it. Now let's turn on the module so that you guys can have a listen.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Let's see the other sounds. Personally, that's Big Daddy's favorite sound, but you can toggle and pick your own. Okay guys, now to mount your phone and onto the lovely device. As so, slide it in. Now open up your Bluetooth page in settings and just connect.
Connected successfully.
Okay guys, we got the music pumping. As you can hear, the speaker is unreal. It honestly sounds like a 3-inch woofer on your bike. You can even feel the vibration on your frame from the bass. Now, you can lower the volume via your phone and then increase. Also, from the unit itself, you just hold the minus down, it'll lower the volume. And then the flip side, the plus, just hold it until you hear that beep, and now you're at max power. Also, a lovely feature of this device, if you just tap the plus once, it'll go to the next track. Likewise, if you hit the minus, it'll go back. And no party is complete without some strobes. Big Daddy out. Get yours today at pimpmybike.store.